Hello, good evening all. How are you, Social Cam? I hope all you're doing okay. Well, introduce you to my little birdie in here. He's 3 months old, and he's of course a canary bird. Oh, you don't do it on me, little bastard. Well, just wanted to introduce you to my bird. Where are you going? And well, say hello. Hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Look in here. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know why he keeps, enjoying. I don't know. Looks like is there a biscuit or something on my thumb? Well, take care all and have a good night or have a good morning wherever you are in the world. I'm here in Kuwait, in one country in the Middle East, and well, I have lots of hobbies, but one of these are, breeding canary, and photography as well is one of my hobbies. I'm a very serious amateur in photography, and hopefully I'll introduce you to my photography equipments. Right? Thank you, and bye bye.